Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday today and I am with my shopping buddy, Oakley, and we are doing some light shopping. I don't know what we're gonna get yet, but we're in the plaza of Target, TJ Maxx, and I kind of want a coffee too. So we're gonna go into Target first. There's someone pulling in directly next to me, so we love that. But let's go shopping in Target and see what we can find.
We're going to go out.
I'm gonna get you out right now, honey. Okay, we're going into Target. We're gonna see what we can find. Look at these corduroy skirts. Are you kidding? Is this a skirt or a skirt? It's a skirt.
Hey, let's go.
Look at all these cute sweatshirts. The Beach Boys.
Let's buy that.
Baby, look at it's bluey on a sweatshirt. For an adult. Oh my goodness.
Buy one of that.
No, I don't think so. This whole beauty area is so clean. I've never heard of this. This must be new from NYX. Duck Plump. It's kind of funny that they named it Duck Plump. Okay. So some plumping lip glosses. Interesting. Love these masks. I might get one because I haven't done one in such a long time. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one, rejuvenating one. This is kind of cool. This is glaze. This is Brilliant Blonde Super Color Conditioning Gloss. I really want my hair to be like yellow. I don't know if that'll work, but I'm looking for something. I wanna start wearing lashes again. The naked lashes are really pretty because you can't see the bands at all and they kind of curl up. These ones are $4.25. I have to check my lash collection, but these ones look really nice and natural. Okay, I just found some bags from Sonia Kashuk. Look at this one. This one is so cute. Light pink. I really like this one too. That one's so big. And then they do have the blue. But I'm really loving that pink one. Now, we can't buy everything. All the vases look really nice. Look at this wall art. You can't tell in the camera, but it's like a dark green. He's been saying let's get a car this whole time. He's a little spoiled brat. You spoiled. Oh my god, it goes on and on. Look at all this. This is beautiful. We need pillows so bad. Ooh. Bluetooth radio. Look at everything, honey.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Baby sis has this one. Do you want this one? This would be instead of a car.
I will buy that next time.
Next time, you want a car this time? That's fine with me. $1 car, $20 stuffed animal. Sit down. Okay, grab it.
Oh,
Is it heavy?
it's so happy.
You would sleep with him at night, okay? Okay, we came into the digestive aisle and I saw this from Bellway. This is the super fiber collagen and hyaluronic acid. This is 15 grams of collagen. Strawberry lemonade, I have tried this before. It supports gut microbiome, skin, hair, nails, and joint support. And then we also have the original super fiber and fruit, raspberry lemon. And then I didn't even know they made gummies, but look at this. We've got 2 gummies, raspberry lemon, and then
2 gummies there.
this is adult gummies, honey buns. So very exciting, but I'm gonna grab,
Look at these gummies.
I know it. I'm gonna grab one of these. Look at this. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna give this back to you, okay? I'm not gonna put it in a bag. Beauty, what'd you get? Is it a unicorn or a dragon? Dragon, you're a special boy. He originally was like, no, I want a car. And then he was like, nah, no, I want a dragon. We had to go back for the $20 dragon. Okay, I'm back home now and I wanted to do a little Target haul. So the first thing I got was this Tree Hut Raspberry Fizz Sugar Scrub. I love these Tree Hut scrubs. They always smell really good and I've never tried out the raspberry one. So I'm gonna put this in my shower tonight. And then I also got a Loops mask, which I remember really liking them. They feel like really good quality. This is the Weekly Reset Hydrogel Face Mask. So I'll be pampering myself tonight, get my skin nice and plump and hydrated. And then also we're gonna be taking care of our body today too. So thank you to Bellway for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna link Bellway down below in the description box. Right now they're having a crazy good deal. It is buy one, get one, 100% cash back at your local Target or Walmart. You will have to search your store locator to see where you have one closest to you. But for me, it was Target. So I went there today. I got 2 of the Super Fiber and Fruit Psyllium supplement. This supports gut microbiome. It helps regulate your digestive system. It's in the flavor raspberry lemon. I think this is like the newer packaging, but I'm excited to have this because I've tried it in the past and it really does a good job at like filling you up before a meal. It makes it so you stay fuller longer. It also, like I said, helps regulate your digestive system. Sometimes we don't have enough fiber in our diet, so this is a great way to get the fiber in. And also, this is going to be a great way to take care of your gut. So this is for healthy gut support, which kind of affects your whole body, your heart, your brain, your nails, your hair, everything like that. I'm going to take this today, probably with water, but you can mix this in with a seltzer or a smoothie. And I'm probably going to drink mine every morning because I feel like that's a good way to start my day, is just gut support. You want to start your day off with a good note. This is also going to help reduce bloating. So I'm someone who gets bloated a lot, and this is going to reduce bloating in your body. So again, I'm going to link this down below. Literally all you have to do is go to your local Target or Walmart, wherever they sell it, and you're going to buy one, get one. So you're going to buy both of them. Then you're going to take a picture on your phone of your receipt and you're going to upload it on their website, and you're going to get 100% cash back on one of them. So it's such a good deal. I'm going to make this with you guys right now, and I'm going to have lunch after that because I don't want to have a huge lunch today, but let's get some supplements in. Let's get some, you know, health to my stomach before we have a meal. Okay, so I just put 1 scoop of the fiber powder into my glass of water. I mixed it. I splashed myself, but I mixed it with my little mixer, okay? And I'm gonna drink this before I eat anything today for lunch. It is a little bit late for lunch. It's like 2 o'clock right now, and I don't know what I'm eating, but I wanted to read a couple of things that it says on the back that I didn't touch on. This also helps with healthy blood sugar levels. So if you're concerned with like your glucose levels, this is gonna help maintain that. And also it helps with heart health and lower your cholesterol, which is really good to know. I feel like everyone can benefit from this, especially I feel like my dad could benefit from this because there's a lot of people who have high cholesterol. So I'm gonna be taking this. I will link it down below for you guys. Thank you to Bellway again for sponsoring today's video. I'll drink this, and I don't know what I wanna eat. I know we're making chili tomorrow or nachos for football Sunday, but I'm starving right now. So hopefully this fills me up a little bit, and then I will make something for lunch. In case you're wondering what we put in our chili, we always do, if we're doing like a big batch, we do 2 diced tomato cans, tomato paste, just a little bit of that, dark red, kidney beans, come on camera, pinto beans. We sometimes have it over rice, and then we also sometimes have it with cheese. Do we make the chili unhealthy? Maybe, but chili lasts a couple days, and now that we're kind of getting into like the cooler months, chili and like crockpot meals are so good. So we have ground turkey in the fridge. I got 2 packs of ground turkey, and that's like pretty much all you need. I don't know. Scott throws in like a bunch of spices, all right? But that's like the main things that you need, those things, and turkey. But also, this caught my eye. That's why I stuttered just now, because this caught my eye, and I'm eating the rest. Good morning. It is the next day. We just went to my papa's for breakfast, and now Scott's grabbing us some Dunkin' coffee. My Dunkin' order is a medium iced caramel latte with 2 pumps of blueberry. Sometimes I like... Oh boy. She's tired. She has not napped. Sometimes I like the butter pecan. I have to like hand her anything that's just like random in the car to try and get her to not cry. Usually it works, but gonna have our coffee. And it is football Sunday, which I always love because usually on football Sundays we do nachos every single Sunday. And who doesn't love nachos? All right, so I wanted to show you guys my favorite fall fragrances. I only have 4, but the first one is Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid, Victor and Rolf, and Oakley and Dada are going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. I really like this one for the fall. This one's like spicy.
No.
Smell that one, Oakley, and tell me what you think of that one. That's a nice one. I really like.
Think about that one.
You don't think about it very much.
I don't like that.
Oh, that one smells rich to me.
Do I have to like rate it
want
now?
this.
Yeah, rate it out of 10.
This one
Will
now.
not smell any
I want
other.
Okay, honey, sit back with
I'll give
Dad.
that one a 8.
8. That one's really good. This one's my new one, the Ellis Vanilla Sin. I freaking love that one. What?
Vanilla what?
Sin? You might have to spray it.
Smells like the other one.
No, spray it. That one I love.
Can I see that one again?
You know, I think, now it's stuck in our noses. It's stuck in our noses because I can still smell that one too. He's trying to,
Now you're gonna smell like it.
you can't even smell. Can you smell it? It's vanilla, but it's like a, it's such a good vanilla.
this one. Sounds
7.
like
Interesting. Rotten banana.
No, this one.
Okay, this one I really like too. You know, I must be on my fingers. The Valentino. Do they all smell the same? Are we going crazy? I think the first one's stuck in our noses.
Half this one.
I'm just saying, you don't like this one? I thought we liked that one.
I'll give it a 6.
Okay. And then this last one is Kayali Deja Vu Flower. White flower.
What is that?
Oh, this one's like leaking out.
What is that?
I heard you the first time. Can you sit back? This one you don't even have to take the cover off because it's like leaking. Just smell it.
What is that?
That was like my favorite one.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Too much is coming out right now. That's why. It's like leaking out.
It's like
All right, I guess this
shoe
wasn't
polish.
shoe polish.
That's a 3.
That sounds like watermelon.
That one also smells like rotten bananas.
That smells
Thank
that's
you.
a 3 to me on that one.
No, this one actually smells really good, but I think it's because it's like pouring out right now. No, smell my fingers.
Ah. Are you serious?
What?
That smell good.
What are you talking about? Well, I shouldn't have stuck my hand down your pants just before this clip then.
What? What'd you say?
I said I shouldn't have stuck my hand down your pants before this clip.
So that's
That was funny.
I thought it was. I know.
Ooh, that smells like cheese.
Okay, well,
That's
let me tell you, these actually smell really good. It is the next day, it's Monday, and I'm making chili right now. I'm making it in the crock pot, which I've never done. I actually don't usually make chili, Scott does, but I wanted to make it today and like have it cook all day so we can have it tonight and over the next couple of days. It's kind of feeling a little bit chillier. I'm just gonna throw like all the ingredients in the crock pot and call it a day. So we'll see, fingers crossed that it comes out good. Let me tell you guys, this smells so good. Let me show you a little sneak peek. Oh God, fogging it up. Let me clean you off, hold on. Here we go, it smells so good. I hope it actually tastes good because I've never made chili, but I think over rice, it's gonna be really yummy. Okay, we are self-tanned. I tanned last night using Loving Tan, and I feel a lot better because finally like my foundations match me. So that's a positive. I also use the new Too Faced Happily Ever After eyeshadow palette and I really like it. I love like the pink and the bronzy shades. So I used that today for the first time. I feel like I'm having a pretty good makeup day, but I'm gonna end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link Bellway down below in the description box again. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.